a beautiful day. My name is Anna. I am 10 years old, and today I am very happy. It is a sunny day, the sky is blue, and the weather is perfect. I am not at school today. I am at the park. I look around and see my best friend, Mary. She is my best friend, and she is smiling at me. She is not sad or tired. She is full of energy.
Are you excited too?
Of course I am. Isn't it nice to be outside on such a lovely day?
Yes, it is.
My little brother is running on the grass. He is only 7, and he is so funny. He is not quiet at all. He is loud and full of life.
Is he always like this?
Yes, he is. Isn't he the happiest boy?
Yes, he is.
My 2 older sisters are reading their favorite books under a tree. They are calm and focused as usual. They are not noisy like my brother.
Are they enjoying their books?
I think they are. Aren't they peaceful?
Yes, they are.
Near us, my dog Max is playing with a ball. He is small, with soft fur and big eyes. He is not barking today. He is just running and wagging his tail.
Is he the best dog in the world?
He is to me. Isn't he adorable?
Yes, he is.
We are all together here. My family, my friend, and my dog. We are enjoying the sun and the fresh air. We are not worried about anything. We are relaxed and we are happy.
Are you lucky to have this moment?
We definitely are. Aren't we? All around us, there are people walking, laughing, and playing. They are smiling. They are not in a rush.
Are they enjoying the day just like you?
Yes, they are. They are lucky too. Everything is perfect right now. It is warm, but not very hot. It is quiet, but not boring. It is peaceful. This moment is special. It is not just another day. It is a beautiful memory in the making. Isn't it wonderful to simply be?
Like and subscribe to the channel.